So, here we are. Lovely woods yet again. Beautiful evening. Just for the night. This is hopefully the first of many videos. Got to start somewhere. But yeah, I'll show you my kit and stuff in a minute. But you can sort of see it behind me, all there, and we'll get a brew on. See you back in a minute. Right then, let's get this the right way up. So here's my kit for the evening. It's my tarp, cheapy Amazon hammock, DD under blanket. Got that folded back at the moment. That's up on that tree over there. It's going to be a warm night, but I've got my decent, I think it's my 4-season sleeping bag. So yeah, all set up for the evening. Probably get a fire going down here somewhere. I was going to do a Dakota fire pit, but another day perhaps. It's flipping warm. So yeah, oh, yeah, kids somewhere out there. But yeah, beautiful evening. There's my brew kit down there. A couple of litres of water. A couple of metal cups, food in one. Although, saying that, boiling one, I've got lamb kebabs tonight. Always have a bit of gas on me. There's my little cooker. That's my food in there. Odds and sods, medical stuff. My power bank. Axe. Saw. Couple of knives. Backpack and my grub in my dry bag. And there's my old walking stick I got down in Wales last year. So yeah, nice. Looking forward to a nice evening. Get the odd dog walker, but other than that, not too bad. It's like someone's tried to build a base over there. Let's get that in focus. Yeah, gonna have a look at that later. I might nick some firewood actually. But yeah, lovely jubbly. Lovely evening, look at this. Just before fall. It's brighter out there, it's darker in here. But yeah, lovely. Looking forward to a really nice night out. Cup of tea in a minute, lamb kebabs, hot chocolate later, feet up, bit of a fire. Right, I'll speak to you in a bit. Time for a brew. Lovely evening, nice woodland. My first perm. We should see how it goes though. Not quite as private as I thought it was, but at least it's permission. Very soon, permission with a nice brew. So yeah, speak to you in a little bit. There we go. The old lamb kebabs. Coming along very nicely. So, very, very dark now, but just me. Yes, they're looking very nice indeed. So, shan't be long before I bring them off of here. Looking forward to them. lovely post dinner and a fire. Still very, very warm. Still got my t-shirt on. I think I'm going to be warm tonight. The lamb kebabs went down very, very nicely. A bit spicy, but yes, very, very tasty. So yeah, here we are now. Slipped up, didn't bring any beers tonight, but I shall have another coffee in a minute, I think. And just relax for a while. The owls are out, hooting. So it's very nice indeed. Mid-September. So yes, just leave you with a roaring fire for a couple of minutes. And here we are, all tacked up, nice. Oh, lovely kebabs, nice lamb kebabs, bit of hot chocolate. Oh, very nice. I'm all tucked up in my hammock now. Very warm evening actually. I've had my t-shirt on in the evening, so very nice indeed. Had the fire, but yeah, that was cool. So yeah, it's getting late. I'm going to settle down, read my book for a bit, and see you in the morning. Here we go. Good morning. Quite a nice night. I was only up once, I think, but very, very cosy. And the old hammock over there, kettle's on. So I'm going to have a cup of tea in a minute. Yes, nice bit of dinner last night. Got my burner out this morning. I'm desperate for a cuppa. But yeah, very comfy in that last night. But it's a beautiful morning. Absolutely lovely. Birds singing. It's like the sun's out. Plenty of aircraft going over. So yes, very, very nice. Right, gonna have a cup of tea and I shall see you in a bit. There we go, something I've always wanted to try. Bush box, a little mini French or French Siberian torch. Little log quartered. Cleaned it in between. And it's going great guns. See how long this lasts. Should be a lot less hassle than putting twigs in all the time. It's been going for about 5 minutes now. I'll get a cup of tea on there. Fantastic. There we go. Getting great guns. Look at that in there. Fantastic. So, good morning. Lovely morning, all breakfasted, nice and quick. The old firebox Siberian torch worked out quite well. So yeah, I'll be using that in future. Mid-morning now, so I'm going to start getting packed up in a minute when I finish my coffee. And yeah, it's been nice, been very nice. Quite a warm evening, lovely morning. There's some dog walkers go past, parrots. You can probably hear the plane going over. There's Luton Airport nearby. Unfortunately, not much I can do about that. But yes, this might be the campsite. A few bits there. Obviously take my cup home, but yeah, I'll leave them there, see how they get on, and we'll go from there. So thanks for joining me. See you soon. Bye bye. Well, there we go, all packed up, ready for the off. Fortunately, can't stay here because I've got work tomorrow, so yeah, like I said, I'm going to leave that up, see whether it gets trashed or not. That'll help me decide as to whether this is a good camping spot, well, a permanent spot anyway. So yes, very, very nice today. Unfortunately, stuff to do. So, see you next time.